The next painting is a series, actually, of 3 paintings. The first is before a thought, the second is during a thought, and the third is after a thought. So let's look closely at before a thought. In the full view, it shows the massive and chaotic information that floats into your awareness before you even form a thought. On the bottom right close-up of this one, you may notice small figures in odd colors. These are the figures that tie the painting to the other 2, besides some of the colors and shapes you'll find. Some of the figures are umbrellas, and some of these little figures are trees. During a thought, in the middle panel, that represents how we protect the process of coming to a thought. We see then the umbrellas upside down to each other. In fact, what we tend to do is we bar certain information in order to fit the thought into a preconceived slot. This idea is represented in the strokes of the brushes, especially with the check marks. This stroke of the brush can be found in all 3 of the series. The 2 umbrellas represent the opposition of thinking that goes on inside our so-called mind all the time. One side protects itself from the other, and yet by color and design they are related and connected. The last panel, after a thought, shows parts of a tree that are now contained in shapes, in boxes, such that you can only see part of the tree. Does that mean you can only see part of the truth once you have formed your thought? Depending on the container. Before a thought, during a thought, and after a thought.